Good day, everyone. Today I will discuss Jack Derrida's letter to a Japanese friend together with my groupmate, Rupa May Baisa. For the introduction, Derrida, a French philosopher, was born on July 15, 1930 in Algiers, Algeria, and passed away on October 9, 2004 in Paris, France. He was a renowned French philosopher. He celebrated for developing deconstruction, a critical framework that redefines how we understand meaning. So this report will focus on his letter's significance, particularly its role in post-structuralist thought, which challenges traditional ideas of fixed knowledge. For the overview of the letter was written on July 10, 1983 to Professor Itsuzu. Responds to a challenge how to translate deconstruction into Japanese. Derrida addresses not only linguistic barriers but also cultural nuances, highlighting the fluidity of meaning across languages. Theme and analysis. Firstly, Derrida emphasizes that difficulties of cultural exchange and translation. Philosophical concepts like deconstruction resist fixed definitions, illustrating post-structuralism assertion that meaning changes with context. Next, the letter explores language's role in constructing meaning. Derrida clarifies that deconstruction is not destruction, but a way to analyze how structures form and evolve. He introduced the idea of difference, meaning that understanding is always differed and rational. Derrida also describes deconstruction as an event, not a method or critique, and argues that meaning depends entirely on its context. To conclude, Derrida's letter to a Japanese friend underscored the complexity of knowledge and meaning, emphasizing that deconstruction is a dynamic context-dependent process. His idea continued to shape post-structuralist thought, challenging how we perceive knowledge and truth. So that's all for today. Thank you. For the further explanation, let's have Miss Rufa May Baisa. Thank you.